In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Oli Video Editor. This is an open source software that you can just have access to and install on your PC. It is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So you can come to your search bar in your browser, go ahead and search for Oli Video Editor, just like so. Hit on enter. You see it here, the first option. You can just click on it. At the moment, and as at the time of recording this video, Olive is down, but you can have it on GitHub. So you can just click to download on GitHub and it will bring you over here. This is the latest version. Click on it, and then you can see the availability for all the other operating systems. So if you want for Windows and for Mac, you can see it over here. I'm going for Mac, so we can just click and it is going to download the software for you. All right, and you can see it over here. So installation is easy. You just double click to install it, and you can just drag and drop this into the applications. So you have it installed. You can come to your launchpad and you can search for Olive, and you'll be able to see it over here. So you can click to kickstart it. And now you have access to your brand new Olive Video Editor. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.